Hello friends, today I am going to open my Mavericks 4th class books. I am excited. Are you ready? Come, let's open it. This is art and craft. These are my booklets. Five booklets. These are my adaptive progression books. Let's see how many books are inside. This is adaptive progression. This is Math Encyclopedia Foundation. This is Social Encyclopedia Progressive. This is Social Encyclopedia Foundation. What is this book? Record of pre-assessment. Okay. English Language Encyclopedia. Science Encyclopedia Foundation. Maths Encyclopedia Progressive. Science Encyclopedia Progressive. Fun and Frockle with Grammar Vocabulary. Book 1. National Birds of the World. This is second book. Continents and Isthmus. Asia, North America. This is iTech. This is Magical Beads. This is my diary. There are 19 notebooks.